Hi, it's Mark from Modern Tool. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who attended our open house last week. We had an excellent time and really good attendance, so thank you to everyone who came. And if you weren't able to come, well, we're sorry we missed you. We gave away a whole bunch of door prizes. We had excellent food from Manja YYC, and we had Gibbs Cam and Mastercam. We had a laser from Derma on display under power, and a whole bunch of our CNC machines of our modern brand. And we have a couple more events upcoming, so if we missed you at our open house, you can come and see us at the WMTS in Edmonton. That's taking place June 4th to 6th, 2019. And our exhibition booth number is 535. That's 535. So come and see us in Edmonton. And in September in Newmarket, Ontario, at our showroom in Newmarket, we're having an open house again. And that'll be September 11th and 12th from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Once again, the address in Newmarket is 1215 Ringwell Drive, Newmarket, Ontario, and that's September 11th and 12th from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Thanks. Have a great day.